What's up, everybody? Today I got a surprise for me, and here it is. This is a Panasonic ductless mini split air conditioner remote control, and it hasn't filled with the batteries yet. So this is time to refill the batteries from Panasonic split type ductless room air conditioner, and it has no features. Wait a minute, put my camera here first. Suddenly form from this remote. It actually resets. Okay, this is the universal Chung Hop remote control. Has a difference with the Panasonic. Come on, silly batteries. This is a bit hard. Okay, when you unplug the batteries from the air conditioner remote, oh, pretty much easier. You can see the remote screen is pretty faded. As you can see, so this is a Panasonic remote. So you can see right here. So here's the plus right here, and the minus connects here. See that? Yeah, it is Panasonic. Let's see. This one a bit better than this one. Okay, let's have the mode here. You can see all the features of the remote. Once it's at 27 degrees, turn it on. Yeah, this is a tutorial how to install your the alkaline batteries into your Panasonic split type air conditioner remote. So I hope you follow this. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye.